Your iPhone has a hidden white noise machine built in. Seriously, you can play relaxing background sounds without downloading any apps. Perfect for sleeping, studying, relaxing, or blocking noise. And most people have no idea this exists. Let me show you. Open Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Audio and Visual. Now tap Background Sounds. Turn on background sounds. Now tap Sound. You can choose different sounds like rain, ocean stream, balanced noise, bright noise, or dark noise. Pick one. Now your iPhone plays relaxing sounds in the background. You can even use them while listening to music or watching videos. Now swipe down from the top right corner, tap the ear icon, and you can turn background sounds on instantly. No app needed, no subscription needed. Most people download separate white noise apps for this. Now you don't have to.